Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my knotless box braids, the jumbo kind. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to recurl the ends, how to refresh the root if you have a lot of new growth, how to refresh it, guys. I'm going to show you all the details. All right, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I do that, then go ahead and continue watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and take this down so you guys can see how that refresh is looking, baby. It is looking real fresh. Okay, it's looking real good. All right, y'all, so these braids are basically 2 weeks old. Look at the frizz, look at the baby hairs, look at the ends like just have these nappy pieces, the curls undropped. So I'm going to show you guys how I refresh jumbo or large box braids. Okay, and yeah, so we're going to go ahead and refresh these things so they can look like money. Okay, so they can look like you just got them done. All right, let's go. So I'm going to use the Style Factor Edge Booster product. This is what I'm going to use to lay down the roots of my hair once again. I can't see the back, but it's fine. You can just kind of feel for where the parts are. I'm going to comb everything in place. Okay. Once I comb everything in place, I'm going to get a crochet hook and I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to literally crochet my hair into itself. So you're just going to pull kind of straight and pull your hair through until you kind of have like a tightness when it comes to your root, okay? And you're just going to keep doing that, okay? So you're going to proceed and keep doing the same thing. This has like a little loose hair. I'm going to crochet that into place. Or crochet this little piece of hair. I'm going to crochet that into this braid. I didn't know I missed this piece of hair, but it's fine. All in all, this should take you no more than 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes to do. Okay, so now that those are done, I'm going to use some of the Shine and Jam mousse right here, and I'm going to use this to lie down any more flyaways. Then I'm going to spray what got to be glue spray to kind of seal in all of that and make sure you don't have any more frizz after that. So you have the option of tying it down or not tying them down. Basically, that's mostly dry. Not bothering the edges yet. I think I want some fluffy edges, okay? So I'll handle that in a minute. I'm going to use a Shine and Jam Magic Fingers oil sheen to finish it all off. I'm going to tie all of this stuff down. And like I said, I'm going to skip over the edges because I'm actually going to kind of wash the edges so that way I can get that fluffy baby hair look. So I'm going to spray a little bit more with got to be glue spray. Move the edges out the way. I'm going to keep this tied up until everything is basically done. So the next step would be refreshing these curls. So I'm going to do it 2 at a time, okay? So I'm just going to literally grab 2 and wrap it around the rod. So as you're wrapping, you're twisting too. So I'm wrapping, twisting, wrapping, twisting. So that way it's more like a spiral. Okay? Done with that. Now I'm just going to dip the ends in hot water. And separate the two. And then you're gonna get those boingy curls again. I'm about to do my edges. I'm just going to use some of this Style Factor Edge Booster on my edges. It's a wax stick. I'm just going to curl with this little tiny curling iron. Okay, as far as the edges, you're just going to get your edge brush Spray some got to be glue on it. Got to be glue spray on it. And just kind of mold your edges. Since these are oily and already have like a little curl, I'm just gonna go ahead and just let those be great. Alright y'all, so here it is. Here is the final result, okay? I freaking love it. I think it's so cute. I done messed it up because I don't wear it all day, guys, but this is basically how it looks. Such a lightweight style, something that's so cute and just very, very versatile. You can wear it down and have that look in the middle, or you can put it everything to a side, okay? Or you can put all of it to a side. You literally can wear this style however you please, all right? And you can just put it all in a bun as you guys seen earlier, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye y'all, love y'all.